Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so this time I'll be showing you how to get rid of the Android 9.0 custom ROM if you have it installed on your Samsung Galaxy S7. So you might have installed it, you might have been using it for a while, but you just don't like it and you want to return back to the official Android 8.0 Oreo. So Android version 9. So as you can see, I've got it installed on my S7. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of it and put the official Android 8.0 stock Oreo back onto your Samsung Galaxy S7. So you'll need two things. You'll need Odin, and you need to use this version of Odin. No other version will work as of now. Hold on. It's version v3 13.1. I will link it in the description down below. So just download it and save it to your desktop. You'll also need the latest firmware, 8.0 firmware. If you try to use a firmware which is older than that, it will not flash with Odin. So you need to use the latest and the greatest. Okay, so just type in Sam firmware into Google and click on Sam firmware's Sam mobile, and just type in your model number. You will need to make an account with Sam mobile before it will allow you to download the stock firmware. So just type in your model number. So my model number is Galaxy S7 SMG930F. So just type it in, whatever your model number is, and then hit search. And I have the unlocked Samsung Galaxy S7 here in the UK. So this is the latest version as of today's date, the 15th of September. So if you're following this video like next month or next year sometime or whenever it is, make sure, like I said, you download the latest version, because any older version will not flash with Odin. You'll get a failed message every time you try to flash it, so you have to use the latest version. So as of today, this is the latest version, the 13th of September. So I've already downloaded this. Be warned that this website, the download speeds is terrible. It's really slow. It will take like 2-3 hours to download depending on your connection. So just bear that in mind. You might have to leave it on all night and then do this in the morning, because like I says, the download speeds is terrible. So yeah, I've already downloaded it. It's here on my desktop. So like I said, you'll need these two files, Odin and the stock firmware. So just extract Odin, and Odin will extract into a folder, and it will call itself Odin. It will name itself Odin. And when you open it up, the files what you need will be in there. Okay, next, just right click on your desktop and create a new folder, and just name it stock latest Oreo firmware Galaxy S7. Just name it something like that. and then just drag and drop the stock firmware into that folder and select extract all. Okay, wait a minute, files will be extracted to this folder. Just select browse, select desktop, okay, and just look for the folder, stock latest Oreo firmware, hit OK, and then extract, and the file should now begin to extract, as you can see there. Okay, so all the files have been extracted. As you can see, we've got AP, BL, CP, CSC, and home. Okay, so you can just shut that down and then look for your Odin folder where you extracted all Odin, and just go ahead and launch Odin. Hit OK. Okay, now just power off the device. And now put the device into download mode. So to put it into download mode, you're going to press the volume down button, home button, and the power button here on the side. So you're going to press all three: volume down, home button, and the power button, until you see this warning screen. Then you're going to press the volume up to continue. Okay, so now just connect the phone from the PC to the device, just like this. And where it says ID come here, it should be blue, and it should also say added. If yours is still grey, you you'll need to install Samsung keys. If you do a quick Google search, just type in Samsung keys, you should find download links, download it, and then once you install Samsung keys, connect your S7 to Samsung keys and it will install all the necessary drivers. And then once it's finished installing the drivers, you can just connect back to Odin, and then where it says ID.com, it should then be blue. Okay, so select BL, which is the bootloader. So we're going to flash the bootloader first. So let's choose desktop because that's where I extracted my Oreo files, my 8.0 Oreo files. So let's look for the stock folder, stock latest Oreo firmware, Galaxy S7 folder. And we're going to install the BL first. So let's select BL. And it's now being added. There should be a little tick there. Yep. Now select AP. If it says not responding, don't worry about that. Just give it a few seconds to respond. Okay, so it's now responding and it's been added, as you can see there. So now select CP. CP is being added. There's a little tick there. Now select CSC. Okay, so CSC. Okay, so once you've added all the files, just go ahead and hit start. And it should then begin to flash the stock firmware back onto the device. You'll see a little progress bar here on the device. You'll also see a little bar here on Odin going up. That little green bar there. Just have to wait for it to get to the end. And then we can reboot the device. Okay, so it's almost complete there, the green bars at the end. Okay, so once it's complete, it should then say pass and the device should then reboot. Okay, so now you can unplug the device. Okay, if it's not booting up, just hold down volume up and down. Also hold down the home button and the power button. So hold down all the physical buttons. Keep them all held down until the device shuts down. Then press the volume up. Let's do that again. Hold them all down. So hold them all down till it turns off. And then you're going to quickly press the volume up and home button and power to go into the stock recovery. Okay, so here we're going to press the power button and press volume up once. So power and volume up once. Let me see if I can focus here. Okay, so use the volume down button and go down to where it says wipe factory data reset, and then press the power button to select it. Then use the volume down button and go to yes, and then press the power button to select it, and it's just going to do a quick wipe. And just wait for it to say data wipe complete. And if you want, you can just give it another wipe just for safe measures. So wipe data factory reset, power button to wipe, yes. Data wipe complete, and then hit the power button to select reboot system now. Okay, so it's finished booting. Okay, so connected to Wi-Fi. Skip, skip. Okay, so we are now back on the stock 8.0. Android version 8.0. And the status should be official. Okay, it says custom there. Let's just wait for the Android update to finish. And it should change within a few minutes back to official. There it is, device status official. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you how to get rid of the Android 9.0 custom ROM which you might have installed previously, and how to put the official Android 8.0 stock firmware back onto your Samsung Galaxy S7. Like I says at the beginning of the video, in order for this to work you will need the latest 8.0 firmware from samfirmware.com, and you'll also need this version of Odin, which I will be linking in the description down below. This is the only version what seems to be working as of now, version 3.13.1. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you get stuck with anything, leave comments in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you get my uploads the minute I upload them. And yeah, it's your boy the Android.time out. Doses.